Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Katie. Today I'm filming the finale for my 2021 rolling project pan, so if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, I have a pretty good update. The first product I was working on is my Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. I've been working on this for quite a while. I wanted to use it 15 times for this update, and I used it 17. The stopper is out, and there is just a teeny tiny bit left at the bottom, but it's almost gone. I definitely have maybe like 5 more uses, like 5 to 10 uses left. So I definitely will finish this. It's getting hard to get enough product on the wand. I keep having to dip back in, but I'm not gonna call this completely done. I think I'm gonna roll this into a project next year, and I will probably finish this within like the first month. But yeah, I'm really close on this. This took way longer than I thought it would, but it is like pretty much my favorite foundation, so I am not complaining. The second product I was working on was my Essence eyeliner. It's just in this nude shade. This is what it's looking like right now. So it's pretty small. It's definitely not done, but I didn't expect to finish this by the end of the year. I actually didn't even expect to make as much progress on this as I did. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. This is one I will roll into, again, a project pan next year. But I wanted to use it 15 times, and I used it 16. And I actually do have lines for this one. When I started the project, I started all the way up here. This was the first update with it, the second, and then the third. So I did use quite a bit. So yeah, I'm really happy with that as well. The next thing I was working on was this Hourglass Powder. This was like a mini sample, so there wasn't a whole lot of this left. So I only had 5 uses left, so I finished this really quickly, but this is empty, and I am happy to have finished this. I really like this powder, and I am going to purchase this in a mini size pretty soon, so I really did enjoy this. The next product I was working on was my Becca color corrector, and my goal was to try to hit pan on this. Again, this is a product I've been working on for quite a while. I wanted to use it 20 times, and I actually used it 27 times. I did not hit pan on it though, but it's so close. A lot of this product is used, and again, this is something that I will roll into a project pan next year. But I really do love this color corrector. I am wearing it today. It works really well for me. So I'm really happy that Smashbox actually took over this product from Becca, even though I didn't buy a backup. But yeah, I think my goal next year is going to be to finish this one since I do have a backup of it. But I think that should be doable because I have a very big like dip in it. So I have used a lot of this. The next product I was working on was my Pixie Highlight, and I was trying to hit pan. I already hit pan in the first highlight I was working on, so this is kind of like a bonus. But I wanted to use it 15 times, and I used it 17 times. So this is what this is looking like. Obviously, I didn't hit pan, but I'm kind of close, I think, on this side right here. There is like a pretty big dip right there. So if I did throw this in like another project pan, I definitely think I would be able to hit pan. There's even kind of like a dip on this side, but I've really been enjoying it. I am wearing this highlight today, so I was really happy to get more use out of this. And then the next product I was working on was my Abh Eyeliner. I wanted to use it 10 times, and I used it 13. This is kind of hard to track progress on, but there's actually a lot of product left in this. Again, this is something that I will roll over. I am wearing this as my eyeliner today. I really like the style packaging and the tip on this liner. It works really well for me. So again, I didn't finish it, but I think I can finish it next year. The next product I was working on is a concealer. Again, I'm so close, but I didn't finish this either. I wanted to use it 10 times and I used it 13. There's only like this much left, and there will be like more product once I take the stopper out, but it is really pretty empty, even though it doesn't really look like it. And but I will be able to finish this next year as well. I'll probably just roll it over. This could still take quite a while though, I feel like 2 or 3 months. But anyway, I do like this as like a full coverage concealer. I am also wearing this today. I have to use this up in the winter though, because it is pretty light on me. But yeah, I do like that concealer, so, and I will finish that next year. The next product I have, I did finish, and it was my Kopari Lip Glossy. I wanted to use it 15 times, and I did, and this is completely done. I think I might have started, I don't know which line I started at actually, but there wasn't a whole lot left. I really liked using this as like a lip balm or just like a clear lip gloss over lipstick or a lip liner. I would consider repurchasing this. I really, really did like it. So there is that. The next product I was working on was a perfume. And my goal for this project was just to use it overall 25 times. So I had 13 more uses that I wanted to use it, and I did do that. It's kind of hard to tell, but I do have like a dent in here. I have to hold it up to the light, but I'm like down to there. I have like a pretty good sized dent in this, and this is one of my favorite perfumes. It's Sea Passion by Giorgio Armani. It's really, really nice. So I am happy that I got some use out of this. This year I was kind of rotating through perfumes, getting some use on just some different ones I had. So I'm not sure I will do that next year, but I did enjoy doing that this year. And then the last product that I was working on was my ColourPop face spray, and it's their Mellow Milk, their calming mist. And I didn't keep track of uses, but I did do pretty good on this. When I started the project, I was up here. This was the first update, and this is the second. My goal on this was just to get down to the top of like the word mellow. So I definitely like exceeded my goal on that. And again, this is a product that I will definitely use up next year. I'm not sure if I'll put it in the project or not. We will see, but I have enjoyed using this. So I'm glad I put it in the project. So yeah, that is my last update. Overall, I really enjoyed doing this project pan this year. I finished off quite a bit of projects and hit my goal and hitting pan on a lot of things. So it was really fun, and I will definitely do this same project again next year. So definitely stay tuned to see the intro of that video. That will probably be going up pretty soon in the new year. So I'm really looking forward to starting a new fresh project pan for the new year. And yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like these kinds of videos, consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.